How to manually add bank transactions on QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can manually add bank transaction on QuickBooks. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up quickbooks.intuit.com. That is your official website, and make sure to log in into your QuickBooks Online account. In order to log in, once you land on your website, navigate to top right corner and there you have to click on login button, and then you have to log in using your login credentials. So once you logged in successfully, navigate to the banking menu or the transaction menu that you may find on your left hand side on the menu bar. After that, from there, you have to select your bank transactions option, so click on it. Then select the bank account where you want to add the transaction. Once done, all you have to do is click on add transaction or record transaction option, and once you're done, click OK, and then you have to enter your date, description, your category, that may be your expense, income category, and at last the amount, and select if it's money in or out. Once you're done saving all of these options, then you have to click on save on last day. So in this way, you can manually add bank transactions to QuickBook Online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.